Hi guys, I'm here in West Palm Beach, Florida. It's Saturday afternoon, about 1:30. We're expecting a hurricane today, and what to do best on a hurricane day is grill. So I have on my Weber grill here, I have a pork shoulder cooking. It's been almost 2.5 hours, and we're not going to eat this till later on today, or tonight I should say, but it's looking really tasty, looking really good. Probably another 4 or 5 hours. I got my apple wood on here with some coals, and let me check the temperature, which is perfect, about 250 degrees, a little bit over that. Anyways, we are here enjoying the weather, because probably later on tonight it's going to be crazy out here. Signing off. We'll see how the pork shoulder will be in a few hours.